Okay, I'm doing a video on how to bring over a Flex header. This is the Flex header over here. And I'm going to bring it over to another site that doesn't have a Flex header. So Flex is a little bit complicated, but you may have to watch this twice. So that's okay. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just log in here. Log in. And we're going to log into this site. Okay, so while that one's logging in, so what we're going to do here is the new site. We're going to import a page. Right, we're going to go to site options. Well, let's see what's going on here. Then inside options, we're going to copy paste from any site. We're going to go here whenever that loads. And we're going to go to templates. And you see header. Header is going to tell us what the page ID number is, 3286. And then we're going to go look up here and we're going to see that the website ID number is 1057. So site ID is 1057, and what did we say that was? 3286. 86. Copy that to top level. But if you wanted to copy a page to a specific area of the site, you would, let's say, keep it under eye care services. If you wanted to bring in like a dry eyes page or an eye emergency page, it would be under dry eye care services. If you wanted to bring over an optical page, it would be under eyeglasses and contacts. In this case, it's top level because we are going to bring it over as a template. And you save changes on the bottom here. Now we do not need this site anymore, so we're just going to get rid of that. Just wait a second while that's loading. All right. Now, if the site is Flex, so that's good. If not, we have to turn it over to Flex. So we go to Appearance and then Themes. This is Flex. So active Flex, a lot of times it won't be. If it isn't, that's kind of a separate video. So we might have to make that another time. But you would set it active to Flex. When you set it active to Flex, if it isn't already, expect a lot of issues. And so in that case, I'm probably just going to have to make a separate video. So this is a video for when the site is already Flex and you're bringing over the header. That's what we're doing here. And you go to templates, and that header is already there because we just brought that over. So they brought over is, oh, they publish is from the old site. So okay, fine. So the existing header, I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and then this is the header of that. This is the existing header. Just to open this so we can see as we're working on it. So this is the existing header right now. Launch page builder. Launch page builder. Might want to change the name of it in general. Okay, so this is the existing one, and it has one version for mobile and one version for desktop. If you would go to settings of the row, not the columns, but the row, you'll see that in advanced settings at the bottom, small devices only, display small devices only. So that is the mobile one of this option, but this is what we like better, right? We're going to work off of this template a little bit better. So what we might want to do first is think about even maybe bringing this up here. So the nice part about Flex is that everything is malleable. Okie dokes. So one thing we want to always pay attention to is the menu. If it looks all kind of clunky and chunky and stuff like that, we might want to change the style of the menu or something like that. This is the old menu. Let's see, select orientation default. Okay, so you can see the size, it's bold. It's got different options for color, stuff like that. What we're going to do here is row layouts. We're probably going to do 4 rows. And we're going to set this top thing up to full width. So content width is full. So right now the width of the row is full, so that's that background color. And then the content though is stopping over here. So we're going to change that to full width. Now you can see the content goes all the way over here, but we don't want the content to really go full width, maybe because on some situations it's not so good, so we got to play around with it. But the first thing we can do is put the logo there. And that frees up space for this menu. If we now change this menu, let's say to 15px and default, we'll see that they all go into one row, which is probably nicer. We can look at the site itself, so homepage, kind of see what the site looks like, and if we want to take a color from the site. So right now they have the menu like this with the background color of this like blue. Nobody's using the menu colors, so let's see if we can grab that menu color. Let's see what we can do with that. Alright, we're going to go to the background here. Let's get the color presets. There are no color presets here. So I'm going to paste in that menu color, that logo color. Let's see how that works. No, it doesn't work. D-A. Nope, for some reason that's not working. Let's take a look here. Pick the color history. Oh, because it didn't pick up the whole thing. Okay, and then we're going to actually add it to the color preset because, hey, it's part of the color scheme of the website. Alright, so we have that, and then we also have this brown. So let's take that brown out. And, I don't know what it's going to look like on the website itself, but let's see. Okay, so now so it looks like we have 3 colors basically running on. We have the 2 colors from the menu that we're going to try to use, and then this blue. And so I'm going to also use that blue. Okay. And we can get rid of here because we don't. Oh well, actually we do need that. So let's see if we can do the background of here. Background. Let's do gradient. And we're going to do that blue color. Then we're going to do also some kind of black. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, that's nice. We're going to get this to, text color is going to be white, not pink. Okay. And let's see if we can get this to 18px without going double spaced. Nope. So, but if we do general here, let's see, contact with full. No, we don't want that. Save, and then if we do this, advanced and left 100, right 100. Let's see how that looks. Left 150. Just want to make sure it's even. 175, 175, and that's still going good. Nope. All right. 225, 225. Good. So that's centering that and using this cool color feature. Now, the next thing we have is their specialties. So we're going to take this and we're going to copy that